Hello, viewers. Today, I wish to discuss with a very beautiful topic. Once again, I came in front of you about the very beautiful topics and vivid discussions relating with the topic. That is, should children be allowed to taught in their vernacular language, or they should be taught in English medium to have their ultimate development? That is the topic. Should children be taught to their vernacular language, or they should be taught in English medium to have their development? That's the topic. This topic really have many aspects. This topic really have many aspects to be discussed. Some of the important areas are also there where we have to analyze it. If the vernacular language is taken to teach to the students, so uh, they can learn better. It's true, there's no doubt about that. Whatever the content of the speech of the teacher, the students easily can able to understand it, and it's accessible no matter, and no hard labor would require to reach your product, your content to the students, towards the students. Obviously they can easily accept it. In Bengali there is a word, it's generally very colloquial word, মাতৃভাষা দুগ্ধের সমান. So if the child is being taught in Bengali medium, in their own vernacular language, seeing the example of the colloquial term, it is being very clear that there is no doubt they can easily digest the speech of the words or the contents taught by the teachers without any kinds of bit of hesitation. It is quite understandable. Okay, it is one kind of concept, but if I just oppose it something different way, say what kind of feeling maybe I feared. See, you're supposed to think that our target language is English, okay, and it is such a kinds of language to proceed even a single step in the approach of your development, in the career of your development. If you wish to proceed even a single step, then if you didn't have the concept about the English language, it's quite impossible to proceed, and you will get stumble over in every steps of your life. I mean to say, it's been very clear that competitive exams, to crack in the competitive exams, to um, get adjusted in the good atmospheres of your school, as well as get entry in the college, and even if you could able to take entry, but you see that in the college the teachers or the professors would come and they would give the lectures in English versus that. Even all the kinds of academic sectors like technical, medical, and all the others systems, it is it is completely surrounded with the English atmosphere. So there would be a barrier, students would completely face a barrier to cope with that situation. I mean to say that they suffer. Nobody can deny that without having the concept of English language smoothly, they would continue their study. It is quite impossible, frankly, to make you advise you that you must have to learn the English language without any hesitations to reach to your goal. So if it becomes a kind of factor that the child should be taught in vernacular language, so what will happen? Vernacular language means their own dialect variations, so in which of the particular atmosphere child is generally born, that is called their language. That the language, whatever he is being adopted from the very beginning period of the time, that is being considered as his vernacular language. Now the issue is that if the child or the children are started to have their educations in the English language, sorry, in the Bengali atmosphere or their own respected vernacular language, they would completely they would completely, what I tell, uh, not able to adjust the English atmosphere. I believe from the core of my heart that is first period of the time, if the English medium is being imposed to the children, they may initial period of the time they may face enormous problem. They cannot able to get adjusted at any cost. Maybe few out of 100%, 10% may be understood, 10 or 5% may be understood, and few students would understand the gist of the teacher. But gradually, the word is that gradually it will increase, the understanding level would gradually get increase. So one day, sure, after starting, one day, sure, it will come to their life that their understanding level would be 100, because there is a kind of word that little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty oceans on the present land. How can I deny that kinds of words? If the action gets started and it remains continuous, obviously the result may be result will be found obviously. But we people thinking that we should impose the vernacular language in the substitute of English language to develop. But if we think something different way, uh, it's not it's not bad. From the very ground level of your study, grassroots level of your study, if the English medium is being imposed, so what's the fault? Few years it will take consume some time be adopted be adopted, so gradually they will develop, and so on. When the years will get rolled continuously, they will be matured and they will learn at a time. One time will obviously come in their life that they can able to accept the total things registered and feedback also, and with their very eminent way, keeping their eminency and authenticity, accuracy, all would be as factors they can able to be adopted in that kinds of atmosphere. So if it is done from the very beginning, grassroots level of the study, obviously they will be benefited. And besides, one more important words I should have to tell you: if the English language should be started after long years of their academic, means I mean to say you that after madhyamik or after 7 8 standard, if it is being thought that the English language should be initiated, there would be too much delay, frankly, to make you tell. They cannot compete with the other students because of their huge late of initiating of that language. You can't deny it that English language is not required. You can't deny it. It's required in every step of your life. So my special advice: start from the very beginning. Then I think that we can able to adjust very quickly. Thanks for the vivid discussions and cooperating with me. Thanks, my viewers.